Hey guys, welcome again in a new video. As you show in thumbnail, today's video is completely dedicated to unlock your smartphones like pin pattern and password lock. And if you're watching this video, then I'm sure my friend you have watched a lots of video to unlock your smartphone and still now you're not success to unlock your smartphone. So don't worry at all. By the new method what I'm going to give you in this video, your smartphone will be unlocked 100% definitely. But watch this video till the end. Further in this video, I will also tell you why sometimes the method of unlocking don't work. Before you reveal this method, there are some important things that you will have to take care of it. The first thing is that your phone's battery should be charged at least 30%, or you may also use your charger at the time of using this unlocking method, okay? Otherwise, you may also charge your phone at least 30%. One of the most important thing that I would also like to tell you, my friend, that this method updates every month. So if your phone is unlocked with the help of today's video, then it's okay. Otherwise, you may also take help of my next upcoming videos or older videos, and for this you must subscribe to the channel, okay? First of all, whenever your phone is locked, you should not worry at all and work with a cool mind. Watch this video till the end, only then you will be able to unlock your smartphone by fully learning this method, mentioning it and applying it to your locked smartphone, okay? So now let's start. How will you unlock your smartphone? Now the first thing is that your phone's all the network should be closed. Now you can see here my phone network is showing here a telecommunication network and Wi-Fi network. So firstly you will have to switch off your all the network, and for this simply you will have to slide your phone downside like this. Now you will see here there is an option of a airplane mode, or it's also known as flight mode, okay? Now simply you will have to activate your flight mode. Now you can see after this your phone all the network has been disconnected. Now after this you will have to do one more thing with your smartphone, and the main thing is that your phone's all the background running applications should be closed, and generally it is not possible to close all the background application when your phone is locked. Okay, so for this simply you will have to slide your phone upside like this. Now you can see here there is an option of an emergency SOS option. Simply you will have to activate your emergency SOS option. You will get a such type of dialing pad in your phone display. Now you will have to feed a special secret code, and this secret code is used to close all the background running application when your phone is locked. And today's recent secret code is *6969 *333 then *000 then hash. After feeding this number, you will have to call on this number, and at the first time when you will call on this number, you will get a pop-up of a call failed. So simply ignore this pop-up with the OK button. Again, you will have to do the process 3 times continuously. After doing this process 3 times continuously, it means your phone's all the background running application has been closed now. Now your phone is ready to go with the unlocking method, and after this simply you will have to clear your call log like this. Now you will have to feed here a special number which will switch your phone on the master unlocking mode page, or it's also known as engineers mode page, and the number is *899 then hash. Now you can see here after feeding this number a new page has been appeared, and the page name is after sales page, okay? Now after this simply you will have to go with the option of a manual test that's appearing on the 4th number you can see here. And when you will go with this mode, you can see here engineers mode has been activated, and you will also get a 3 type of option on this page, but you don't have to go with any option on this page. Simply you will have to slide your phone right side like this, and you will have to reach to the option of others, okay? Now you can see here at the end of the slide other option has been appeared. Now you can see here there are 5 type of option on this page, but you will have to go with the option of a read write important lock test option, and at the first time when you will go with this option, you will ask to confirm this option, but you don't have to confirm here. Simply you will have to cancel here at the first time. Again at the second time you will have to do the same, and the third time you will have to do the same. But at the 4th time when you will click on this option, you will have to go with the OK button. Now you can see here when you clicked on the OK button, you can see here wrong password has been showing here. It means your phone's all the forgotten pin pattern and password has been removed. Now your phone is ready to go with the new pin pattern and password lock. So now it means your phone has been unlocked. So how will you check whether your phone has been unlocked or not? So simply you will have to go with the home button which is showing here bottom of the phone, you can see here. Simply you will have to click on this option to check whether your phone has been unlocked or not. Now you can see here my phone has been completely unlocked, and all the application which were in my smartphone as in my smartphone. It means this trick really works, and if you have unlocked your smartphone by this trick, then do the like this video. And if you could not unlock your smartphone, it means you are facing some issues. Which type of issues you are facing with your smartphone, send me in my comment box. Our team will quick response on your issues. Thank you so much.